News conference since the federal election, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney laid out his priorities, including how he will approach the upcoming talks with the US President Donald Trump. Also, his election campaign focused on the standing up to the Trump's tariff plan and threat to make the Canada the 51st United States state, also which Carney has said that it will never happen. The Liberals also won 168 seats out of 343 in Canada's House of Commons in the Monday election, enough to form a minority government, but falling short of the 172 necessary for a majority. Also, Carney's new cabinet will be sworn in the week of the 12th May. Here are three things that we learned from the Carney's comment. The first thing is that a strategic visit by the King of the Top. Carney announced on upcoming visit from the King Charles III and Queen Camilla, who will also visit Canada later this month. This is a historic honor that matches the weight of our times, he told reporters gathered in Ottawa. Carney says that he has invited the King to formally open the Canada's 45th Parliament on the 26th of May. Also, the request is certainly strategic. Carney said that the King's visit clearly underscores the sovereignty of a country and not to Trump's 51st state remarks. Also, Trump has also been well-known admiration of the royal family. In February, the United Kingdom Prime Minister, that is Sir Keir Starmer, used his trip to the White House to present Trump with a letter from the King Charles offering to host a second state visit. The King is Canada's head of state and is repeated and represented in Canada by the Governor General, that is Mary Simon. After an election, the new parliamentary session is usually opened by the Governor General, who reads the speech from the throne on behalf of the Prime Minister. The speech read in Canada's Senate sets out the government's agenda, while it did not unprecedented for the throne speech to be read by the head of state. The last time this happened was in October 1977, when the Queen Elizabeth II read the speech for the second time. The first in 1957. A Tuesday showdown with the Trump. Carney will visit the White House on Tuesday, barely a week after the federal election. His first election and the official visit to the White House on the Prime Minister comes amid the frayed ties between the close allies in the wake of the Trump's threatened and imposed tariff, as well as the president's repeated comment about making the Canada the 51st United States.